Welcome, friends. Are you ready to test your economics IQ? I have brought only 5 questions based on current economic affairs, which may confuse even toppers of UPSC, RBI, Grade B, and NABARD aspirants. So, let us test how many of them you answer correctly. So, we know that India's economy is changing every day. So, we have to keep up with the changing scenario of the Indian economy. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. And if you want such more videos, then write yes. So let us start with the current economic affairs questions. So first question is the Uttar Pradesh Power Distribution Network Rehabilitation Project is funded by which financial organization? Which financial organization? A. World Bank, B. Asian Development Bank, C. NABARD, D. IMF. Answer is B, that is Asian Development Bank. So Uttar Pradesh Power Distribution Network Rehabilitation Project is funded by Asian Development Bank, which provides financial assistance to developing countries in Asia. The ADB funding will help Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited to strengthen power distribution network and reduce power losses and improve the quality of power supply. Question number 2. What was the allocation for Department of Space in the Union Budget 26-27? Because it is based on current affairs, so you should be careful. A is 13,700 crore, B 13,705.63 crore, C 13,708 crore, and D 13,710 crore. Answer is B 13,705.63 crore. So you have to be careful about points also. The Department of Space in India is responsible for country's space program, including satellite launches, space exploration and related research. The Union Budget 2026-27 allocated 13,705.63 crore rupees for the Department of Space. This allocation will support various space-related projects and initiatives like satellite launches and maintenance, space exploration missions, research and development in space technology, and human resource development and training of space scientists. Question number 3. What is the objective of PM Pranam? PRANAM. Pranam scheme. A, to reduce the use of chemical fertilizer in agriculture. B, to increase the use of chemical fertilizer in agriculture. C, to promote organic farming. D, to reduce the cost of fertilizers. Answer is A, to reduce the use of chemical fertilizers in agriculture. So PM Pranam full form is Prime Minister Promotion of Alternative Nutrients for Agriculture Management. Pranam full form is Promotion of Alternative Nutrients for Agriculture Management Scheme aims to reduce the use of chemical fertilizer in agriculture while promoting alternative fertilizers. These scheme's objectives include reducing chemical fertilizer uses by 10% by 2026, promotion of alternative fertilizers like organic and biological fertilizers, C, improving soil health and fertility, and D, reducing the environmental impact of chemical fertilizers. Next question is question number 4. What is the revised project cost of HPCL Rajasthan Refinery Limited, HRRL, project approved by Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, that is CEC? Options are A, rupees 43,129 crore, B, rupees 79,459 crore, D, rupees 80,000 crore, and D, crore. So answer is B, rupees 79,459 crore.